Gearing up to do the last of my solar install. That is a Zamp 2 foot by 26 inch by 40 inch panel. I think it's 120 watts. And then I've got my two lithium Life Blue 200 amp hour batteries here. Got to get to those. It's kind of a mess in here right now because it's tight quarters and I got stuff all over. There's my DC 30 amp charger, and in here is the Victron 15070 MPPT controller, and there's all the wiring for that, all 2-gauge wire. And so anyway, I've got to get this wrapped up here. Got to pull out the AGMs, put in the Life Blues, and hopefully get this show on the road, get the new batteries all up and working. So okay, that is the update. And outside here, what's really making this just a joy to work is the wind. Incessant 30 plus mile an hour wind. Of course, you wouldn't know it to look at it right now. Over there is the lovely Dome Rock. So everybody's pretty much staying inside of their trailers and RVs. If you look in the sky, you can see the blue sky, but as you come down to the horizon, it turns a precipitous brown for all the dust. And I tell you, man, this is just a dusty shoe. Dusty. Look at that. That is just from this morning, all that dust in here. So everybody's going to be doing some serious camper cleaning here pretty quick. Okay, well, I am going to brave the elements. Thank God it's not raining anyway. If it was raining, there could be mud bogs and everything out here. Everything you could ever want. So all I gotta do is just get to work. I'll pull the AGMs and put them inside here and reconnect them inside, and then I will start fitting the Life Blues into the battery compartment. Okay, so that's the quick update for now, and I will keep you posted on the solar. And if there is enough interest, say if you want interest in this or not, I will put up a how-to solar video. It's a lot of work to do some of these videos, this one in particular, because there's so much detail involved. So if you want to see it, I'll make it. If you don't care, then I won't make it. Why go to all the effort? Okay, I will see you on the next video. And there goes the wind again. We're in the back of the camper, so it's a little protected. Let me go over here where it's not protected. But I'm sure I'm doing a little better than other people because I did position myself down in a little bit of a depression here, so some of the wind is going above me and not right into me. I have a little protection here. All right, I'm going to get to it. Piece of wood to do some special work in here. Anyway, okay, see you on the next video.